Jason, in all honesty, I could never picture the person Rachel would end up with, and that was really because I thought the world of her. I knew he'd have to be so special to deserve someone like her. When I met you for the first time, I watched my best friend light up around you. I've had the pleasure of seeing this over and over again throughout your years together. Your love and respect for her has given her a confidence in herself that I've never seen before. She is her truest, most genuine self around you, and isn't that what love is all about? Jason, I want to bottle up this moment in time and relive it when we are 80 years old and hopefully vacationing at Migas. Maybe they'll even accept credit card by then. I am so thrilled your roads converged and that you two found each other, and I can't wait to see where this life takes you two hand in hand. So now, let's all raise our glasses and toast to Rachel and Jason, their incredible family and friends, and to a lifetime of love.